The Veterans Treatment Docket is a coordinated effort that we've been working on for the last year and a few months. It deals with assisting veterans who are going through the criminal justice process. It's a jail diversion program. So it's post-plea, they plead to their charges, and instead of jail, they go into the program, into the docket, and they get help from the team. We have a team aspect with it. It may take up to 18 to 24 months of supervised probation to monitor and to get them back into the community as a productive citizen. Veteran mentors are a very, very important aspect of the docket. They are getting trained on how to be peer mentors. We actually are very fortunate to be in an area where we are getting a lot of volunteers to help.
The veteran mentors are all honorably discharged military veterans who have volunteered to give some time to the program each month. And they are mature individuals who have been in the military service, many of whom have wrestled with these problems themselves and bring experience and maturity to the program. Each veteran who is participating before the judge is assigned at least one mentor. And they set up a relationship, they establish a relationship that is outside of the criminal justice system. We are not part of the criminal justice team. We are separate from that. But we try to solve those little problems and provide a role model of success. Mentors are absolutely key and crucial to the success of this program.
Forward.
We had a dedication ceremony on February 12th to dedicate the docket. We wanted to make sure people had a chance to see it in action as it began. In addition, we dedicated the docket to Manny Colbert, who was a longtime volunteer with our court, and he passed away last year at age 99, and he was still volunteering with our court at that time. And he was a veteran, and he wanted to be involved with this docket as well, so we wanted to make sure we did something for him. In addition, we did have the first 5 veterans who are in the docket now come forward to the court, and they made their official oaths at that time to be a part of this program.